Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today I am facing one of the issue. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So issue is that at error occurred NoneType object has no attribute span. So basically this is related to the Pytube. So first of all, to check where is the location of your Pytube, so make sure you have to run this command pip show Pytube, which will give you the location of your path like this. Okay, so if I go over here, okay, so it will give you the location, okay, of that pytube pip show pytube, right? Now we are going to run this command to check is this work or not. So let's run this. So it's run. Now we will go back and cd var www.html and the python, and here we are using the python 3 main.py. Okay, so it's asking for the enter the YouTube URL. So YouTube URL we have in the code or not? I think we should enter dummy YouTube URL, dummy YouTube video. So let me copy this link and add this link over here. No, this is wrong. Right, I need to open it and then copy paste this. Okay, let's run again, paste the YouTube video, and here you can see that the downloading complete, right? So this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.